Finally got these mounted. Really like the final look. The only thing I don't like about this whole thing is the sidecar extension winglet right behind mine. So there's nothing I can do about that. I just wanted to install something custom. But so I got a couple more ideas for this car as far as the carbon fiber stuff is concerned. So I'm gonna do something with the back, the front of the side skirt, and then the bumper, and then make some kind of canards, and yeah, go from there and see what happens. So far I've made like a bunch of winglets, I've made a pulley cover and a bunch of small stuff under the hood. So I make the carbon stuff now using the vacuum infusion, which is basically you create a vacuum inside of a bag and then you pull the resin into it, instead of what I did that one video where I hand laminated the piece, like the dead pedal. And that method is okay for like stuff that's not visually demanding. So if you want a part that's just a structural part, not like a visual part, then that works. I also have an Instagram page, and it's craft tech with an underscore between the two words. So I got a bunch of stuff that I post there, the car and all the stuff that I make. So a lot of people don't know my Instagram, don't know like that I even had one, because I don't go by the same name as the YouTube channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's something not the usual, you know. Yeah, I've just been trying to make my own parts lately. That's all I've been doing at home after work. So that's mainly why I haven't really made that many videos for YouTube. But my plan is to just create like a bunch of stuff for my car, make it look really mean. Have this vision of the car where it looks like a race car. I don't really race it, but I want it to look like one. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video.